Hey there, this is Ryan from TradeGenius.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from Apple Pay to BNB coin in minutes using TradeGenius.com. Now to start, we're going to go to Genius Wallet on the Apple or Google Play Store or TradeGenius.com. And from there, you're going to create an account in seconds using Google or Apple. From there, you're going to click Deposit. You're going to click into Apple Pay, and you can deposit up to $500 per week without any KYC. So I'm going to deposit $30 here. We're going to click Next. We're going to put in our phone number and basic information and then click Buy with Apple Pay. From there, that $30 is going to be converted into Solana and then deposited to your account. You're going to click into your Solana and click Swap. And you're going to swap that Solana to Core and you're going to choose BNB. So you're swapping the BNB to BNB. After that, you're going to swipe the coin. It's going to give you your fees and the amount of BNB you're going to get out. And you're going to swipe one more time to confirm the transaction. Now, in just a few seconds, that BNB token will show up in your Genius account, and you'll be able to then sell that BNB token or swap that BNB token back to Solana or back to USDC or any other token that you wish. It's also important to mention that Genius is entirely self-custodial, so you can export your private key at any moment in time and move those funds to any wallet that you desire, whether that be Phantom, MetaMask, etc. It's also important to mention that TradeGenius.com supports many different blockchains, including Avalanche, Arbitrum, Solana, Base, and BNB chain, of course. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.